Hello and welcome to the tutorial. This is the Online Auction Solutions event scheduling tool, which helps you schedule events for your auction inspections and or removals. It's a quick and simple tool to use for both you and your buyer. When you set up your account as an event scheduler, you'll be asked to verify your email address. You can do that on the account page. Once you sign up, we'll just get some basic information from you. If you're doing this on behalf of a company, you may want to put your company name into the name section because that will show up on what your buyers see. So there's three main tabs: the account and the events and help. The events is where you're going to primarily work with this tool. I already have two old events set up. I'm going to show you how to create a new one, which is fairly straightforward. We go to the Create Event button, and it asks you to fill in the following. Event names. So I'm going to start with the name of my auction that I'm doing. Again, your buyers and potential inspectors are going to see this information, so you're going to want to make it branded to you or information to the auction that you're scheduling here. The event contact information and phone number, so that is the primary contact for who you want people to call if they have questions. Say they're running late on their scheduled event time. They can give you a call using this number. You also have the option to prevent attendees from rescheduling on the day of appointment. So the reason that this would be used is you're out in the field and an auction removal, you have removals all day. You may not be on there every single minute of the day just seeing who the new appointments are. So you might cut that off that morning so that no new appointments can come in to avoid any of those last minute appointments coming in. And then the schedule is down here in the bottom. You'll see the calendar view. We can start with when that removal day is, what time frame it goes from, 9 to 5, and then what your slot intervals are. So if I wanted to do 10-minute slot intervals and allow 2 people at a time to schedule an appointment, that's going to limit us to 12 people per hour. So you can also add another day if needed. So if I did the 2nd, I might do the 3rd as well, and keep the same or change those intervals. So you're going to do a little assessing of how many buyers you participate or anticipate that you might have at the auction removal, and do a little math as far as how many intervals you're going to need, how many slots you're going to need to get that done, so you don't run out of slots for people to sign up for. To finalize this event, I'm just going to go down here and click Create Event. And now we have our newest event right here on our dashboard. When I click into that, I can see all the details, the name, the address, and contact information, and then how many spaces are remaining for each day. So in this case, I had 96 per day with 48 time slots available. And I can see all the specific information down here. And once people start signing up, it's going to fill this in real time. And the nice part is this is a mobile-friendly tool, so you can access this on your phone as well. If you wanted to block out times, this would be the time to do it. So if you wanted lunch from 12:30 to 1 p.m., you could do that right here on this section of the tool. So when they're blocked out, potential buyers will not be able to schedule for those times. Now, sharing this with your buyers is pretty straightforward. You could embed this snippet right here, right into your online auction platform or whatever platform website that you're using. You could also directly send this link right to your buyers. So if you're sending this in an email, to all your winning bidders, you might just grab that link right there and do a direct email to them. And that will allow them to sign up and schedule. So I'll show you what that looks like on the buyer side and what that process would look like for them. So if I'm a buyer and I just got an email from you saying, here, please schedule your removal, this is the page I would see for the May consignment auction. They'll be asked to set up an account with a password. I already have an account, and so I can just sign in here, and they will be asked as well to verify their email as well, just to make sure that we can keep their account in good standing. So I'll sign in as a buyer here. I've already created this account. All right, so this is what your buyers would see. It's going to ask them to select a time on either Saturday or Sunday for your upcoming event, and they get to choose which time works best for them. So if I reserve here, it's going to tell me you are scheduled. Same day cancellations are not allowed for this event, and they can actually add it to their calendar as well. So if they're using Outlook or Google or Yahoo, they can download that right here, and it'll automatically go into their calendar with your information in there. Now, they can cancel the appointment as well if they need to reschedule on a different time. To jump back into the admin view to show you, just going to refresh this page. So that buyer just signed up for 11:40 to 11:50. This is what you'll see to show that your attendees have signed up for that time. And then there's also the blocked out times as well. So you'll see that in real time, how many spaces are remaining. Again, this is mobile friendly, so you can access this on your phone if you're out in the field. It's a pretty straightforward tool. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let us know. We'll be looking to add some features as well in the future. So once those are in, we'll be adding that tutorial as well. Thanks.